Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. First up, we see someone going from a bob to a pixie haircut. Beautiful classic pixie, bangs in the front, gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair, and they're going to be cutting their hair into a bob. Gorgeous structured bob haircuts, absolutely stunning transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Gorgeous pink pixie haircut transformation. That color looks absolutely stunning on her. Next up, we see more of like a modern mullet style mixie haircut. Beautiful. Beautiful bob haircuts, lots of volume with that one. I would actually say that this is more of like a pixie style in between haircut of a pixie and a bob. Very pretty. Another gorgeous pixie haircut, beautiful bangs in the front. Absolutely stunning. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.